Hey friends, if your new Outlook app is not sending or receiving emails, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So, first of all, go to Microsoft Edge and open hotmail.com or outlook.com, whatever you use for your Microsoft account. Sign into it, okay, and check if it is working, if it is receiving emails, if you're able to send emails, and if not you are able to do it, then it's okay. If not, then check the server status. Okay, I'll check for Hotmail server status. Okay, and I will check whether it's working or not on the server status page, which is portal.office.com/server status. Okay, if outlook.com is working, then everything is good and I should be receiving emails. So if it's not working, then it's an issue with the server itself. And if the issue is with the offline app, in that case I will search for Outlook. Okay, and then I have Outlook new here. I will click on app settings in the right pane. I will scroll down and click on terminate to terminate the process if anything is pending. Then I will try repairing it and I'll check if it works. If not, then I will reset all the settings and then I'll check if it works. If not, then I will uninstall it completely. Okay, and after uninstalling it, see, it says the documents will not be affected because the documents are stored on the cloud. After that, I will open the Microsoft Store, and it usually needs a lot of time these days to open the store. Then I will search for Outlook in the store, and then I'll click on Outlook for Windows. I'll click on get, and this is how I will reinstall it and reopen it. This should fix the problem for sure. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.